Hi everybody, my name is Jen and I'm here to talk you through how to create a custom URL for your LinkedIn page. When you first create your LinkedIn profile, it will randomly assign you a combination of your name and some randomly decided characters. And for instance, my colleague here at Nova, Emily, this is what hers looks like. So it's a mixture of her name and some characters there. There's nothing wrong with this. It just makes it a little bit less easy to remember. So you can't necessarily walk up to somebody and say, oh, my LinkedIn profile is this. So that's what we want to do, is make it so that you can have a little bit easier to share custom URL. So what you do is you go to your profile, so you can get to that either by clicking here on the main LinkedIn page, or over here you can click under me and then hit view profile. Once you have gotten to your profile, then you can see all of your information here. Mine is already set up to be my name, but I'm going to talk you through how to do it anyways. So you click this pencil here on the side to edit your profile. It comes up with this pop-up. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, there's a thing that says contact info, profile URL, email, WeChat ID. So click on the pencil that's next to this. And then if you see here, it says profile URL. So what you want to do is you want to click on that. And then here it's got your public profile settings. And then in this far right side, you can see where it says edit your custom URL. So you're going to click on this, the little pencil next to it, and then type in whatever it is that you want it to be. I have mine set to be Jennifer-Mosley because Jennifer Mosley was already taken without the dash. So you just set it to be whatever you want it to be. Ideally, you want it to be your first and last name or some kind of combination of the two. And that's it. You hit save, and then you've got your new custom URL. One thing to keep in mind is that you ideally want to do this at the beginning of your career as opposed to later on, because if at some point maybe somebody has an old version of your URL, they'll type that in, they'll click on that link, and it will take them to an error page. And so they won't be able to find your profile based on the old URL that you have, only the new one. There's no redirection there. So this is definitely a really important key step in the beginning, and something that you should definitely consider doing. I hope that's been helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email at info@nova.ky. Thanks!